How can you fix the Apple Watch when it's not tracking your activity? So at first, if you're new, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss videos like this one. And second of all, there are like more reasons why it might be happening. Just make sure at first that you are wearing your Apple Watch properly, that it's not too loose on your wrist, because that could prevent some measurements from being tracked. But the most common place or the reason why it's happening is that you have some sensors not enabled. So if you go to the watch app on your iPhone and find the privacy section, make sure you have the sensors as you can see them right here in this order. Make sure that like all of the things are enabled, because it is for the different like sensors for different things. Most likely it's the heart rate, which is kind of the most important one for your activity. Make sure it is turned on and that it actually works. Then pay attention to the physical side of the watch, because on the back side the heart rate is monitored by these like green lights. That's how you know that the watch is measuring it. And of course, if you just wear your Apple Watch normally, it will perform it every once in a while. But if you start a workout, like when you open up the workout app and it started with the walking or running or literally any kind of workout, it will keep on tracking the heart rate throughout the whole workout. So the green light should be turned on automatically and stay on as long as you have the workout on. So that way it should keep your, all of the information in the tag, then it should track everything. So if you do not see it, try restarting the Apple Watch or unpair it and repair it. But if none of that helps, then it's possible that there is some kind of hardware issue with your device, and that could be the reason why it's not tracking the information. But I believe that if you did all of these things which I've shown you, that your Apple Watch is supposed to track it properly now. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.